So what y'all about to witness now is me order some Starbucks because I'm tired. Y'all about to witness me order my coffee.
Come on, up here.
I'm sorry?
What can I get for you?
Yes, can I have a cafe latte? Coconut milk only, and I want it in a size tall.
You said it's all hot cafe latte. Is something I'll get you?
Yes, sir.
So do you want something else or no?
I would just like a butter croissant.
A butter croissant, sure.
Yep, that's it.
All right. Would you like anything else after the butter croissant?
Nope, that's it.
Thank you very so much. It is $9.07. Thank you.
Thank you. I just spent $10 at Starbucks on 2 things. But I'm gonna have to cut it short right here because I do have to scan my Starbucks app for my points. So I'll be right back. What's up, y'all? Today I am back with another video, and this one is about restarting my Loc journey. Okay, first of all, I had to get my coffee because your girl was just not functioning. I am restarting my Loc journey. As you see, my hair is just doing whatever it want to do. Looks like I got electrocuted, and I've actually been rocking my hair like this for the past 2 weeks because I just been over wigs and hair and braids. And honestly, spiritually, I do feel like I am walking into a newer season of Kiki. Just a lot of great things going on that I will not discuss. I will just let Yahweh spread them out and blast them to y'all how it needs to be blasted. So, yeah. So if y'all don't remember, I used to have locks about 3 years ago. Well, going on 3 years because I cut them October 2021. So here's a picture of how I used to look with my other locks or whatever, and then 2 of them started thinning, and y'all, I'm very like particular about stuff like that, and when they started thinning, I cut them. I was like, oh my god, nope, cut them. So I cut a low cut, and here's my result after cutting my locks. It was so pretty though, and that's why I discovered I had a curl pattern. I'm like, okay girl, look at the curls. So I don't know about everyone's reason of why they get locks. You know, it could be just for convenience because locks are very convenient. Just convenient, quick. You can style them, you know, whatever, dye them or whatever. Some people get locks for spiritual reasons. And I would say, honestly, I'm kind of half and half, right? So the first time I got my locks, it was 2019. Yep, it was 2019. It was like February 2019. And I would say it was half spiritual because that time in my life, I had just left like I don't want to say worst time in my life, but I had left a season where I had to deal with a lot, and I was transitioning into another version of myself. And then I was like about to turn 30, and yeah, so right before I locked my hair, like my mom had passed away. I was in a very bad relationship, and I was kind of getting out of my grieving stage, and then I got out of that relationship. So that's why I was like, it was such a for me, it was like a liberating thing to lock my hair because I had kind of put those things behind me and kept living, right? And I locked my hair. I'm like, okay, new Loc journey, new me, you know, at the time. And I did a lot with them. They were very pretty. I did a lot with them. I dyed them twice. I mean, I was like red at one point in time, and then I was like gold at one point in time, burnt orange or whatever. And then when one of them started thinning, I was just over it, y'all. I cut it. But now I do feel like I am back in that place. I feel like I am in a new season, but this is like the redevelopment of Kiki. You might not feel me. Y'all might be like, girl, you being too deep. just get your hair locked or whatever. But I am in a new phase, and I really don't care how nobody feels. I'm in a new phase. I'm in a new place in my life because I've been through a lot. So I've been through a lot, but Yahweh has been great. Okay, He has been amazing to me, and I'm just absorbing all of Him so I can be great. I don't know if that makes sense to anyone, but it's like I'm in a season where I'm just truly being me. So, not to talk y'all head off, but I just started therapy. So I'll be honest, I have a lot that goes on in my head that I can't get out. I have a lot of emotions that's just everywhere sometimes, and I have to like redevelop who I am, because I kind of let a lot of the world get to me and bother me, and I know I'm supposed to be here to be used by Yahweh. I know I am. So I have to be fully her. I have to stop dumbing down myself. I have to stop being so I'm Mrs. Humble, and and I'm gonna still remain humble. Don't get me wrong, but I had this thing where I wanted to be humble, because I would do a lot of great things. Like, I'm blessed. I've been doing a lot of great things in my life and my career, and I don't know why, but I just have this thing where I just like don't want to be so boastful about my accomplishments, and I guess I dumb myself down. I take away from myself, from the things I want to do, because I don't want to feel like I'm always overstepping other people. Well, newsflash, I gotta stop all that, right? Okay, it's time for me to pop my shiznit, because I mean, not to be boastful or prideful, but I am the shiznit, right? Because I mean well. Like, my intentions are very, very pure, and I'm not just saying that to brag, but I don't know. I do have a love for people, a love to help people, a love to watch people have fun. So that's why I'm a DJ, right? But getting back on topic, I'm starting my loc journey. Y'all are riding with me to the salon. It is 9:34 a.m. Saturday, March 30th. It's my best friend's birthday, by the way. Happy birthday, Simone. Hopefully she watched this video. I had already texted her, so she is in California, and she is 3 hours behind. So it's 6 a.m. where she at, and I done already text her in caps, happy birthday. So I hope she see this video. This is also the day I'm starting my loc journey, girl. So you are part of my journey. I got my cafe latte with coconut milk, because I am lactose intolerant. Oh, that's hot. Dang. They had a kettle on 300 degrees. That was so. I want to interact with people. If you are watching this video, what made you want to start your loc journey? Or if you already have locks, how long have you been locking your hair? And I want to know, was it just for convenience? Was it just because it was cute? Or was it just because spiritually you felt like locks were a thing? Like, I want to see how long my hair can grow, how Yahweh can just stretch my hair out, the strength in my hair. Like, I want to know. I do. I like to read stories. I like to read when people tell me things or why they do certain things, because I am intrigued with people and their stories. I don't know why, but I am. So I want to know. Like, tell me. Or tell me why you about to cut your locks off. You tired of them? Tell me what's going on in your head. Tell me if you want locks and you can't grow your hair. Like, what's going on? So this is the final results of my locks, and I am very, very, very pleased. Very pleased. And this is exactly how I want it. So, the only thing right here, it's not that I don't like it, it's just part of the process. It's because your girl used to have leave outs and stuff, and this hair is basically heat damage. So as my locks get longer, I will cut this off. But it's like 3 of them. You see, it's like one right here and one right there. But see how it still kind of formed a curl pattern? Like, I still got good hair. Don't play with it. But I am so happy because, yes, I'm happy.